Anderson's first time on a dirt bike. All right, stop, stop. There you go, use the brake. Are you out of gear? You gotta hear it click to be out of gear. Rev it up. All right, you're out of gear. Nana's riding the go-kart. She needs a helmet on, what she needs. What she tells us every time. She's out there riding without a helmet on. Oh, look at them. Getting a little risky. Second day riding. Blaze! What are you pouting about? What you doing out there? Avery. Avery, what you got? Avery, let me see it. Why are you scared of him?
Because he hisses at people.
He ain't gonna hurt you, it's a kitten. What you doing with the kitten, huh? Little boy.
Yep.
Bucky. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Hey. Oh, look at Blaze getting jealous. Can't say hey to Lucky without Blaze coming around. Somebody's about to get a claw to the face. She's about to break it.
I know Stu's not different, but it was so cute.
Avery.